So, hi guys, it's me, Jenaline Sakayan from Grade 10 Galileo. So, for today's vlog, I'm gonna share to you all the different learnings I acquired in this subject. But before that, let me first share to you all of my essential experiences I had while learning Mathematics 10 in New Normal. So, at first, it was hard for me to cope up with this learning system because it's my first time to experience this kind of situation, and also because of the pandemic, education has had to migrate to the online environment. This change has impacted not only school and their staff but also families by allowing mother and father to be more involved with their children education. Although learning continued in a virtual or out-of-school manner, the structures of school systems were abruptly altered. So going back, I'm gonna share to you all the different learnings I acquired in this subject. So first, patterns refer to usual type of procedure or rules that can be followed, and also patterns are useful to predict what came before or what might come after a set of numbers that are arranged in a particular order. This arrangement of numbers is called sequence. So for example, a sequence is an ordered list of numbers. The three dots mean to continue forward in the pattern established. Each number in the sequence is called a term. In the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1 is the first term, 3 is the second term, and 5 is the third term, and so on. I also learned in this subject the permutation and combination. So, first, let us know what is permutation. Permutation is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a set when the order of arrangements matter. So first, let me tell you one real-life example of permutation. Arranging people, digits, numbers, alphabets, letters, and colors are examples of permutation. Combinations are the way of selecting the objects or numbers from a group of objects or collection in such a way that the order of the objects does not matter. For example, picking a team of 3 people from a group of 10 is an example of combinations. To find the sum of a finite geometric series, use the formula where n is the number of terms, a1 is the first terms, and r is the common ratio. How to find geometric terms in a sequence? First, let us know what is geometric
In mathematics,
terms in
a geometric progression, also known as geometric sequence, is a sequence of non-zero numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called the common ratio. Given a set of numbers, determine if they represent a geometric sequence. Divide each term by the previous term. Compare the quotients. If they are the same, a common ratio exists, and the sequence is geometric.
So, before we move forward,
Polynomial
what is
is defined as an expression which is composed of variables, constants, and exponents that are combined using the mathematical operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. No division operation by a variable.
And next, we're going to tackle about
In mathematics, the degree of a polynomial is the highest of the degrees of the polynomial's monomials with non-zero coefficients. The degree of a term is the sum of the exponents of the variables that appear in it, and thus a non-negative integer.
And last, we're going to tackle
Addition of
about
polynomials can be solved in two methods: by arranging the like terms together and then add. For example,